With bioinformatics, you need to have internet. Even the machine, the analysis in genomics lab, you cannot work without internet, because the machine, first you need to even get the data, and then that data you need the machine to be connected. Once the machine is done with the running, then you need to upload that data in a computer where, as I said, you need to interpret what this data is all about. So that will need internet. Previously, before the Starlink, we're really facing a lot of challenges with the internet, because our internet is very slow, and also it's costly here in Malawi. It's very expensive to have that internet. And sometimes you find that we didn't even have data to do the analysis. It will take us even a week or two whilst we are still waiting for maybe the data to or the internet to be up and running. In a situation where we are dealing with an outbreak, we want to respond to that outbreak, and somebody will be there in the lab waiting for the internet to finalize the analysis. It was really challenging. But we appreciate the support that we got from BMG when we heard that Malawi is one of the pilot countries to receive that Starlink, and we have seen a lot of improvements. Indeed, Starlink is a game changer to Malawi. The data that we used to take, it used to take us maybe a week or two to finalize the analysis. Now it's just maybe a day or two. The data is done, the results are there, and we are able now to inform the country. So we really appreciate that. The only now challenge that we are having, this is a pilot. What will happen once the pilot is completed, it comes to an end? That's our worry. We don't want to go back to those days when we were waiting for almost 2 or 3 weeks for us to finalize the analysis. So we are looking forward probably to further support or scaling up of this Starlink connectivity, such that it will still continue helping us and saving a lot of lives with that. And I just also wanted to mention that with HIV drug resistance, because initially we're using one other equipment, but now we also want to start using it on this platform that Africa CDC supported us through the African PGI. And just to mention that this will be the first country here in the southern region that will be piloting the HIV DR on the MiniSeq, so that we want the quality data on that. So you can imagine with that, if Starlink phases out, then we'll go back to our old days of having maybe 2 or 3 weeks waiting for the results. This is indeed a game changer to us, and we are hoping that it will really continue supporting, getting that support from the African PGI. And also, I just wanted to add to that, to say that it's not just the Starlink, but we also received support with the data saver, because the data that these machines do generate, we need to have the computers with high space, a good space that it can accommodate all that data. For example, maybe one run can generate around 180 GB. And if you are having so many samples, that's a lot of data that the ordinary computers cannot accommodate that. But with support from the African PGI, we have gotten the servers and the laptops that we are using to analyze our data. That is also supporting us to have data analyzed as fast as possible. because the others could even crash the computer because of the high data that these equipments do produce.